threat from illegal poaching. Most elephants now exist in protected parks, but wildlife groups are trying to increase their range to restore the ecological balance that has existed long before man. As darkness descends on an untouched wilderness, the avant-garde musicians of the night begin their performance. All through the night, territorial male koalas make their mark, guttural grunts and barks to assert their dominance. Just like people, koalas use sound to communicate. But as a new day dawns, bird calls are the only sounds resonating through the trees as koalas rest after their nightly activities. Koalas are territorial creatures and don't like to venture too far from home, remaining in their social group. Being creatures of habit, they each have several trees in their range that they'll feed from. And these luscious eucalypt leaves give these Australian icons all the sustenance they need. Koalas are one of the few creatures able to live on a single food source, and they don't even need to drink water. The leaves provide adequate moisture. An adult koala can consume up to half a kilo of leaves each night. And while there's an estimated 600 types of eucalyptus trees in Australia, these fussy eaters will only consume a few varieties, which is why housing and land developments and clearing for pastoralism has had such a major impact on their numbers. Endemic to Australia, it's believed that koala descendants first roamed here 45 million years ago. They were important in Aboriginal culture for food and skins, and featured in many of their Dreamtime stories. Early explorers described koalas as ash-gray pouched bears. So what must they have thought of this funny fellow, the wombat?